Hello and welcome to another update video about Optimism. Optimism hasn't been covered for a few weeks actually, so let's take a look at the chart and if anything broke or have there been any breakouts, any noteworthy developments. Well, the chart is still following this overall uptrend in what I count and see like an ending diagonal pattern, which started here with this B wave low in June 2023. We have a similar pattern on various crypto charts. And I mean, the idea would be that, and that's at the moment my preferred option, that this here was a wave 1 to the upside. This was a wave 2. Wave 2 bottomed in October. Third wave rally happened, topped likely in January. And now it's all about, this is always where it's getting messy in a wave 4. So it's possible that wave 4 bottomed here. That was the 24th of January low, 23rd. Yeah. And then we're now basically moving up in a wave 5. Because all of this is a diagonal pattern, the wave 5 would move as an A, B, C structure. So we have here wave A, wave B, and we would start a C wave rally from there. This scenario is valid as long as we're holding the January low, and that would be the $2.60 level. Okay, so in this scenario, we can be watching for a C wave rally to start. In this scenario, what we can do to get some confidence that the B wave might be over, we can take the length of, let me just see. No, that's fine. What we can do is to take the fib levels, so retracements, and we take the length of this move here to the upside, and then we can get the key levels for the pullback, and it reached a 78.6 fib level. So really, if this is the white count, the B wave shouldn't really go any lower than that. If it does, it would rather make me lean towards yellow. The yellow count would suggest that wave 4 is still unfolding. Possible as well. In this yellow scenario then, the rally was just a high B wave and we're now coming down in wave C. But even in this scenario, we can calculate a possible target for the C wave down. So we have the A wave length, go to the high of the B wave, and the 100% extension level at $3, is a key target. So both might indeed have bottomed. I think it's not really possible to clearly distinguish between the two at the moment. But if we break below that $3 level, then it's more likely C in yellow, so the yellow count, because the yellow count we can allow basically that yellow wave C to come down a little lower. Next support would be around $2.68, $2.59, and $2.49 then. But it might just be limited to one more low maybe. Now, I am leaning towards the white count that the wave 4 already bottomed. Why? Because this rally to me looks more like a 5-wave move. But it's not very, very clear. Okay, so both are to be considered likely. And to be honest, they both don't differ that much. In both, I would be expecting further upside, but possibly only after one more low. And I'd like to see it hold actually the trend channel here that we have. So it's a parallel trend channel in which, this move down might test the lower boundary line of the channel. Okay, if we break it, then maybe we test 259. Okay, maybe 222. Ideally, we don't see it break below 222. Any break below $2.22 would make me reconsider what this chart has done and is doing. And I would then probably start to assume that, okay, the entire move to the upside is already finished, and possibly this here was wave 5 of C and we've topped already, but I'd actually like it to get closer to this ideal target around $6.96. And it also has plenty of space still in this support zone. So yeah, still looking at further upside. We're moving in a trend channel. I gave you the two scenarios which are likely. Both, however, are very, very similar, so you could actually see them as the same scenario. They will both differ a little bit in terms of structure as we go higher. For example, in the white count, we are expecting a 5-wave move up, whereas in the yellow count, we might just have an ABC structure. yeah, that's my update about Optimism. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.